Everything we know about Zuma hiding Gaddafi's millions in Nkandla. Well, that was another pretty average weekend for Jacob Zuma, Cyril Ramaphosa, and the tattered remains of the Yank's integrity. The last one is a joke, because that integrity has long since disappeared. Yesterday, the Sunday Times ran an explosive account of how the late Libyan dictator Muammar Gaddafi handed millions of dollars to Jacob Zuma for safekeeping. Zuma then stored the money at his Nkandla residence, with the loot secretly moved to Swaziland earlier this year. We're talking big money here, folks. The allegations of Gaddafi's cash in Nkandla aren't new, but have only recently been confirmed. Suspicions swirled when then Public Protector Thulimadensela was denied entry to an Nkandla bunker during an inspection in 2013, and it seems that's where the money was hidden. This is why we live in a gangster state, friends. Over the first few months of this year, the money was moved to Eswatini in 5 separate tranches. Not that Jacob didn't try and have his way with it. First, this is all completely and utterly bonkers. So the cash has now been shifted to Eswatini. Although things didn't go exactly according to plan once the complete amount had arrived, I think we've encountered our first person with a shred of moral fiber in this story. Again, just remember that Zuma offered murderous dictator Gaddafi asylum in South Africa, and when he refused, he took his money back to South Africa and tucked it away in an underground vault. It's all kind of surreal, isn't it? Will we see anyone held accountable for this? Cyril Ramaphosa loves to talk about how the NPA is now an organization with teeth, as opposed to when the Zuma Shaw and Abraham's double act rendered them useless. But who's going to lay down the law here? I guess now we wait.